challenge. It's called Rubik's Cubes Challenge. Now, all you're going to need is some paper plates, and you're going to color in on the top of the paper plates. You can choose what colors you want. As you can see, I use red, blue, purple, and green. Now, I have set up a 2x4 Rubik's Cube. You could do this 3x3 or 4x4, really however you want. To set up, you're just going to kind of put them in any order. It doesn't matter how you do it, you're just going to be placing them in any order. Now, as you can see, my nephew down there, JJ, wave. That's where the starting line is going to be. Now, you can either do this by yourself, or you can do this as with a partner challenge. And one partner is going to run to the Rubik's Cube. You can only move 2 plates at a time. Now, you can move them horizontally, or you can move them vertically. But you can only move them one time, and you can only move them either vertically or horizontally. Now, you want them to line up vertically. So we want this purple to end up like this. You see how it's vertically? Once it's like that, you've got it. And we're going until we have all of the different colors lined up. Now, once again, just do your best, forget the rest, and have some fun. All right, check out this Rubik's Cube challenge. We've got my niece Mackenzie and my nephew Lawson. Ready, set, go!